Today I'm having a luxury house safari experience.
No. That was scary as shit, man.
I'm going to be staying at Hunters Pride Wildlife Estate in the Dinokeng Game Reserve in South Africa. My plan is to document my stay here. I'll show you the house. Game drives. Food. Listen, maybe a little bit burnt. Activities. And everything else Hunters Pride Wildlife Estates has to offer. Let's go! Welcome to House 40 at Hunters Pride Wildlife Estates. Before I show you guys around the house, let me tell you some information about this place. Hunters Pride Wildlife Estates is located in the Dinokeng Game Reserve. It is just a 60-minute drive from Joburg and it offers a stay in a luxury self-catering house of your choice. This estate was designed with the idea in mind of being able to enjoy a luxurious home while also having a classic safari experience.
No. That was scary as shit, man.
As you can see, the zebras here are really extremely scary. I meant friendly, not scary. I am a little bit scared because zebras are known to have quite a nasty kick. Listen, just be a little bit aware when interacting around the zebras. Give them their space. They'll give you yours. Pretty cute babies behind me here as well, eh? If you want to stay the night, there are different houses to choose from during your stay. 5 houses are privately owned, 10 are available for rental, and 14 are still to be built. So things are happening here. These houses are perfect for a holiday with family and friends. So if you want to come stay in the future, I'm going to leave 2 links in the description below. The one is Hunters Pride website, and the other is how I booked my stay here is through AMK Destinations, which is how you can book your stay here today. So let's get into the tour. You'll arrive at Hunters Pride Gate, drive in, and you'll be welcomed by some zebras. You'll carry on driving down the sand road until you see a black Hunters Pride Gate. Once inside, you'll drive past reception and to your house. We just arrived, I've parked my car, but as I was doing that, I didn't catch it on camera, but these zebras were going crazy. As the host of the house, Alicia was showing me around, these zebras started getting closer and closer, and we had to run back into the house to try to protect ourselves. They are a little bit friendly here, so just be aware when coming to visit. But, unique experience. Without further ado, let's go inside and see what this house has to offer. Wow, okay, welcome inside, guys. Gotta close the door. When you first walk in, the first thing that I noticed is the smell. It smells amazing in here. Speak, Brad. Whatever air freshener they use in here, it smells fantastic. Keep doing it. The first room you'll see is the scullery room, where there is a dishwasher, washing machine, dryer, and sink. I doubt I'm going to be spending much time here because I'm only here for 2 nights, but I like it. Very nice room. If you make your way through the door to the next room, you'll come across this kitchen. It is a beautiful, spacious kitchen. I love the wooden cabinets and the granite counters. They just suit each other so well. There is literally everything you need in this kitchen. I think there's more stuff here than there is at my house. I'm not going to show you everything in this kitchen because that's just boring, but basically what there is a microwave, toaster. Is there a toaster? Sink, kettle, stove, oven, plates, cutlery, glasses, mugs. There is a huge fridge as well that is half fridge, half freezer, and in the center of the kitchen there is this beautiful kitchen table that is made of glass with these unique looking chairs around it. I really like them. They're comfortable as well, not only good looking. That's about it for the kitchen. Let's move on. Next up, there is a bar. Can I get you anything to drink? I've never been a bartender before, but I think I did a damn good job. There's no alcohol in here yet, but if you are planning on coming, it is definitely recommended to bring your own because there is a place to store it. There are glasses for any type of alcohol. There's a fridge to store your wine. What I love about this bar is I love the wood again on these cabinets and the granite countertop. Also really like these hanging lights up top here. There's also a pool stick and a golf club because apparently there's a whole area where you can go play pool and putt-putt. So those are cool activities. Also, there's table tennis apparently. That's because there's table tennis bats and balls over here. That's pretty cool that they've got activities on the estate as well, so that's even more of a reason to come stay. While I'm here, I may as well show you a couple table tennis tricks. I used to play a lot back in the day, so let me show you what I got a little bit. Warming up a little. Got a little spin on it. Now spin. Spin both sides. Bruh. Oh, spin. That was planned, eh?
I make myself laugh sometimes, wow.
But that's everything at the bar, so let's move on to the next room. There are these two chairs over here which are actually really comfortable, with a table with two vases on and what looks like a portrait of one of those zebras that are running around outside. So good photograph, not painting, good photograph. The next room is the TV room, and wow, I love the vibe in this room. It's very rustic yet modern at the same time, if that makes sense. On this side of the room there are two similar looking chairs like the ones I sat on just before, with a table in between, and it's also really comfortable. Over here there are these two stool looking chairs that are made out of some type of animal skin. I'm not sure if it's real or not, but it's pretty comfortable. I just sat on it. On this side of the room there is this leather couch which is really comfortable, with two huge lamps on each side of the couch as well. In the center of the room there is this wooden table that suits the theme of the room very well. And the last part of this room is the Samsung TV, which looks like it'll do the job. And underneath there is a wooden cabinet with 3 vases on it and a DSTV inside. Behind this wall there is actually more. If you go behind that wall you'll see a lamp with Wi-Fi on it and a mirror. There is also a door to take you outside to see the outside area on this side of the house. Very nice. If you make your way down this passage, you'll come across the bedrooms. The first one is coming up on your left. This is bedroom number 1. There is a king-size bed that I obviously have to test out. Oh my word. That is like really, really comfortable. Whoa, I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight, man. Not a baby, man, a baby. Actually, babies actually sleep terribly. Why is that an expression? On each side of the bed, there is a bedside table with a lamp. On the side of the room, there is cupboard space. Next to that, there is a table, chair, and a mirror. This is a great desk. You can do everything you need here. I'm probably gonna sit here and edit later. But on the table, there are 2 lights in case of load shedding, because we do live in South Africa, so we have to be prepared. There is also a TV in here that you can sit and watch. And there is an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom has a huge bath. There is a double basin vanity, and there's also 2 mirrors up top here as well. On this side of the bathroom there is a toilet, bidet, and a shower. What a nice bathroom. Moving on to bedroom 2. Next up we have bedroom number 2, and it is beautiful as well. There is a queen size bed in this room, and obviously we have to test it out. Also very comfortable. Not as comfortable as the first bedroom. I think that still takes top number 1 position bed. This is a great bed. Nice blankets, quality linen, nice pillows. On top of the bed, there are 2 beautiful paintings and an aircon on top of that. On each side of the bed, there are side tables with lamps on. On this side of the room, there is a chair which you can sit on, relax, watch some TV, because there is a TV in this room as well. On the other side of the room, there is a desk, chair, and a mirror. With another light on here. It works. Sorry if I blinded you. And also on the side of the room is the bathroom. And in here, there are 2 basins that you can use. In the middle, there is a beautiful oval bath. I love a good bath, so I may have to have a bath in here later. This is like really comfortable. Look how well I fit in here. Actually, just give me a sec and take a break from this tour. Just enjoy. And on the other side of the bathroom, there is a toilet, bidet, and a shower. But that is everything for bedroom and bathroom number 2. Let's move on to the third and final bedroom. On the way to bedroom 3, this is the guest bathroom. So if you're having people from around the state over, you can tell them to come do their business in here. This is bedroom number 3, and it is yet again quality. On the one side of the room, there are 2 single beds. This is a quality single bed. On top of each bed there is a painting and an aircon up top, and in between each bed there is a bedside table with a lamp. On the other side of the room there is a desk, chair, and a mirror. This is a long countertop, so you can do whatever else you need to do on it, and cabinets that you can use to store your stuff, and there are some cupboards to put your clothes. If you want to watch some TV, there is again another TV in this bedroom. This is bathroom number 3, and it's not quite ensuite, it's right outside, but basically ensuite. Inside this bathroom there is a bath, basin, mirror, and a shower. Unfortunately there's no toilet in this bathroom, but right next door is the guest bathroom, and there is a toilet in there, so you're sorted. That is everything inside the house. I think it's time to go outside and see what the outside area has to offer. This outside area is premium. There is so much you can do out here. The first thing you'll notice though is this beautiful wooden table with these woven chairs around it. This is a really nice table. I like it a lot. On the one side of the outside area, there is a boma area. I'm 100% going to make a fire later. They've already bought me some wood and some fire lighters. Surrounding the boma, there are these 3 unique unique looking stools that you can sit on and enjoy the fire later, which I will show you in a live example later, okay? Over here, there's an area where you can braai, but if you don't feel like making a classic braai with coal or wood, there is a gas braai that you can use as well. On the other side of the patio, there is a jacuzzi area. That is so premium. It is a beautiful area that has a jacuzzi in the middle, surrounded by AstroTurf, with 2 lounges on the side as well, and an umbrella. I think I have to test out this jacuzzi. This is the jacuzzi, and whoa, it is huge. It feels like a mini swimming pool, honestly. One of the bigger hot tubs I've been in my life. You can fit at least, I'd say, maybe, I don't know, had to just do some quick maths there. I would say around 10 people you could fit in here. And that's pretty crazy. For a jacuzzi, mud things. In front of the house, there is this huge garden area that you can use for whatever you like. Hacky sack, soccer, rugby. I don't have anyone to play with or a ball, but if you have that, you could. And on the side, you'll see a fence that surrounds the Hunters Wildlife Estate. I've actually been told by a couple people that live here to keep a lookout because you may see some animals that usually walk right past the fence. Not inside, we're on the side safely, thankfully. So, that is everything that House 40 at Hunters Pride Wildlife Estate has to offer. Apparently, there's other things to do around this estate, like you saw at the bar inside. There's golf, snooker, table tennis. Let's go have a walk around and see what else there is to do here. Don't forget to look both ways, not when crossing the road, but when looking for zebras. Like a zebra crossing. Get it? Get it? First thing I've noticed is this huge park-looking area that has a pathway that you can walk and just enjoy the beautiful scenery around you. You'll see that there's actually a jungle gym, which is the first thing I noticed as an activity you can do around Hunters Pride Wildlife Estate. Let's test it out. Am I too old? Nah. Yes, sir. Obviously, I have to test out the slide. What's a jungle gym without a slide? Seriously. Okay, I'm too small for this. One-legged. Wait. Hey. That's actually pretty painful, man. I'm too big for it. There's also these benches around the park that you can come sit at and maybe enjoy a nice lunch in the park. I think that'd be a great idea. I found the putt-putt course and honestly, it looks really fun. But listen, it's not really that much fun if I'm gonna play by myself. I want some competition, you know? So, that is everything that the house and Hunters Pride Wildlife Estate has to offer, except for a game drive, which I'm going on tomorrow morning. But now, I'm gonna make my way back to the house. Okay, it's time to make a fire. Let's go. This is what we got. A bag of fire lighters and a bag of wood and a lighter. I found it in one of the drawers in the kitchen. Okay, I think I got a pretty good starting base. Here is like a pyramid shape with a little, like, you can see the one on top. It's like a little star on top of the Christmas tree. Let's see if this fire can actually catch a light. Listen, I'm pretty proud of the shape, to be honest. That's like, it looks good. It looks like a movie fire, you know? Maybe I'm giving myself too much credit. If you know how to make a better fire than me, let me know in the comments down below and give me some criticism, you know? Humble me. Burn, baby, burn. I'm gonna let this fire grow and just enjoy itself and mature. And when eventually I'm at not a finished product but a better product to show you guys, I will. See you then. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Brad. With Brad. Let's get into what is on the menu for tonight. For starters, yeah, it's not just mains. We've got some pasta pillows. And if you have never had pasta pillows, this is so underrated. I don't know many people that have it. I mean, I haven't asked many people either, but I love it. It is delicious. I recommend. It's like pasta pillows. Pasta, what does it actually say? Cheese and tomato filled pasta pockets topped with a cheese tomato sauce. Ooh. And for mains, we have a margarita pizza. This looks premium. I'm gonna preheat the oven and put this in, and we're gonna have the starters at the same time. So let's figure out how to use this oven. Okay, there's a timer, and I think it's in the right setting. It's preheating. Should I just put it in, or should I let this preheat a little bit? I'll give it 5 minutes. If you haven't noticed by now, it's an Italian meal tonight. We're eating good. Pizza. Sorry if that offended anyone. Pizza. Some cheese went flying off. Hold up. Pizza's in. I rate actually be good. Timer. 20 minutes. That should be good. Now for the starters, what I usually like to do is poke some holes in the paper. Give it some airflow, you know? Don't over hole it because they'll make it holy. Hey, that's just not even, I was going to say a dad joke. It's not even a good joke. Bang. I'm gonna enjoy the starters and I will see you when mains is ready. Mains are ready. That's not too bad, man. That's not too bad. Listen, maybe a little bit burnt. No one's really against anything a little bit crispy. Come on. Crispy. Cheers. Really good. I'm gonna enjoy this pizza and then I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning because I'm going on a game drive at 6:30 a.m.
Good morning at 6 a.m. and I'm about to go on a drive in the Dinokeng Game Reserve. Let's go.
We just got back from the game drive and this morning was really great in my opinion. There's just something special about being in the bush. The elephant sighting was definitely the best. That was pretty crazy. I thought he was about to like jump in the vehicle. The guard was telling us that sometimes he puts his trunk inside the car or even on the bonnet. Unfortunately, he didn't do that today. Also, the guard today was fantastic. She was so friendly and so informative. So thank you. I appreciate that. So that has been everything that I've done at House 40 and in Hunter's Pride Wildlife Estate. I've really enjoyed my stay here and I'd definitely come back to visit in the future. But I do recommend that you come stay in the future. So if you do want to come stay in the future, there will be links down in the description below. I recommend booking through AMK Destinations, which is how I booked this place here. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers. As I'm filming this, they are just enjoying some grass. Not that type of grass though. Yeah, really a lot of zebras around. So it's like a shaker. Again, if I was a bartender, I think I'd do a pretty good job. Bidet to wash your ass. Jesus, a bug almost flew in my eye. Is a jacuzzi. Oh my. Jesus, this place looks huge. I should have brought my hiking shoes. And we're making our way back. Jeez, it's flipping ridiculously hot, man. So, that is everything. Almost just got attacked by something. Either a beer or a fly.